Speaking of house calls, look who's back. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin. Good to see you again.
It feels great to be back in the studio.
It feels strange, but good.
Yeah.
We're on the patio. Well,
right.
Until it got too cold. But
yeah.
Well, look at this.
Yeah.
The World Cheese Championship is in town. So this is from cheeses from 2 years ago.
Yeah, so we're celebrating the World Cheese Championship Week contest, and we have some cheese and charcuterie cups. That is a recipe on our website, wisconsincheese.com, and we thought it'd be fun to highlight some of the past winners of the contest because we really have high hopes for our Wisconsin cheesemakers this week. We, in fact, win more awards than any other state or country.
Well, we should.
So we are, in fact, the state of cheese. So I'm just highlighting some of the past winners. One of the cheeses that we're using today is the Grand Cru. And actually, back in 2018, that was the overall winner of the entire world.
Really?
Yes.
It's from Monroe, right?
From Monroe, Wisconsin, from the Roth. Then we also have the English hollow cheddar cheese here. Actually, it was also from Monroe, and that actually ended up back in 2020 in the top 20 of all the cheeses. So you're talking thousands and thousands of entries. And then I also have some that were actually the best of class of their categories. So the Depplers in Monroe was the blue cheese best of class for Swiss, and the Charcuterie Asiago, another best of class. So nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best.
Another local one from Monticello, the Dill Havarti, made by master cheesemaker Bruce Workman. So these are just a small sampling of cheeses. We have so many more cheeses that have won really big prizes, and maybe they weren't in the top 10, top 20, but a lot of maybe bronze, silver award winners. So these little charcuterie cups, super simple to make.
Where do you get the cups?
I actually just ordered these on Amazon.
Okay.
They're little French fry cups, but you could use jars or little cups. And then I just used some toothpicks and made some cheese kebabs. And there's some dill Havarti, some salami. They're charcuterie cups. And you can just have a lot of fun with different colors and combinations. There's some olives, some pickles. You'll notice the Swiss cheese wedges, and then some breadsticks, some rosemary to add some color, red peppers, and just have a lot of fun. And this is perfect for the month of March. You can use these little snack cups for your viewing of the awards on Thursday, maybe March Madness. And really, as people get back into society, maybe they'll like the single-serve cups versus a large cheese grazing board. Yeah. So,
well,
do we have a thumbs up for you, Mark?
Everything is good. I'm going to eat lunch.
Yeah, there you go. And actually, you're getting all your food groups, so a really fun snack for kids and adults.
It's online?
Online at wisconsincheese.com. Good luck to our Wisconsin cheesemakers and processors this week.
I'm sure they'll do well.
Yeah, can't wait till Thursday.
All right, Angie, thank you.
Thank you.